All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to cut a pineapple in order to eat it. So right here I have a tasty pineapple slicer that I'm going to be cutting up using a tasty pineapple slicer right here. This is a pineapple core, and what it does, it cores and slices a prickly pineapple, which I have right here. This one's made of stainless steel with a non-slip handle. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Now this has instructions on the back, and you are required to read this before using. You can't hurt yourself if you don't use it properly. So that is the core, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. And what I'm going to do first is with the pineapple, I'm going to take it and locate the top of the pineapple, wherever that is. I think it's right there. So I'm going to take the top of the pineapple, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the pineapple right here along the head of the pineapple. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this off right here. So I have that, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and take my pineapple core, my slicer, tasty pineapple slicer. First I'm going to smell the fresh pineapples coming out. It smells really good. And then I'm going to take the core, and I'm going to take it to the center, find the center where the core is, and put this right over. So you want this directly in the middle right here. And it's important that you have a pineapple that is an appropriate size for this. You're going to have to read the core of the particular device that you're using and measure it right. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, and what I like to do is I just do a simple tap with that just to get it primed. And then what I'm going to do is take this, and I'm going to go ahead and just spin this, and I'm coming close because there's going to be a lot of juice coming out of this, and I want it to hit you right in the eye. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just start to turn this. Not a lot of pressure is required, but you have to take the turn. Go ahead and do that. You see this? Look at the slices of pineapple starting to come out. Look at the juices flowing from the pineapple. Looks really good. And I'm just going to keep on going. Relatively easy to use. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure. There's a lot of juice coming out of this, so be warned. So a lot of juice coming out of this. I'm just going to keep on going until we get close to the bottom. And you're going to see all of this pineapple right here, fresh pineapple coming out using the slicer. So I get towards the bottom, and it starts to get tough. And that's when you know you hit the bottom. Always hit the, and you're just going to take it and pull it up. And look at all of that juice that's coming out here. That's fresh pineapple juice down there. Look at that dripping right here. Look at all the juice dripping from the plate. It's usually how it goes. Leave a lot of juice dripping from the plate. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take this and to get off. I'm going to press this button right here. And then I'm going to be careful because it is sharp down here. And I have all of this fresh pineapple right here. Let me zoom in close so you can see all the juice. The juice is loose. Just like that. Fresh pineapple. Look at that. Fresh pineapple to eat right here. Smells good. Absolute goodness if you ask me.